And back locally, Waterhouse maintained their winning start to the 2021-22 Jamaica Premier League season. This after thrashing Dumbeholding FC 4-1. And there was also a win for Portmore United, who got the better of Cavalier. Being a finalist, Waterhouse made it 3 wins from 3 after smashing the previously unbeaten Dumbeholding FC 4-1. Waterhouse took the lead after 22 minutes as Andre Leslie beat goalkeeper Damian Hyatt from outside the box. Leslie returned in the second half to notch his second in a similar fashion, following a defensive error by Dumbeholding. 2-0 Waterhouse in the 51st. The last 13 minutes of the contest were frenetic as Dwayne Smith cut the deficit to 1 in the 77th. Shortly after, Dumbeholding were down to 10 men when Captain Shaquille Dyer was ejected after being shown a second yellow card. Cardell Benbow, with his first of the season, made it 3-1 with a smart finish before Devroy Gray wrapped up the scoring for Waterhouse.
The performance was good. Moments in the game, hence the result. We took our chances in the game. I think we defended well. I think Dumbeholding also kind of give us the opportunity to show what we're about defensively, and offensively we did take our chances.
I couldn't be happy. Not the best performance, but at the same time, when the game started, probably about the first 15 minutes, we had control of the game and we were pressing them and all. But we gave away 2 silly goals and we were trying to fight back to get them, and then we gave up 2 more, so that's it.
In the second game of the doubleheader, Portmore United won their first game of the season as they clipped defending champions Cavalier 1-0. The lone goal of the game came in the 39th minute through Demar Rose. This is the second straight defeat for Cavalier this season.
We didn't have 2 good results first 2 games. We did some work this week, and we make some changes in the team. We brought in the 2 youngsters, 17 and 18-year-old, Markland and Janil. They brought some energy to the team. It lifts the spirit of Demar Rose, who is above them, slightly above them. So it all goes well for the team, the chemistry and the know-how, and how I want them to play. I think they'll grasp it soon.
Well, as I said from the first half, we couldn't have wanted it any easier. We couldn't have wanted an easier game in terms of the opportunities that we got to score goals. And so, when you move those scoring chances, you will end up getting this kind of result. Even at the last minute of the game, as you can see, we got a easy goal to score. Still couldn't finish. So we know we have work to do. We have our work cut out.
The competition continues on Monday with Montego Bay United, who are yet to register a point, taking on Malines United at 1, while at 3:15, Arnett Gardens will meet Humble Lion.